Get ready to groove because the stage is set for the ultimate dance battle. The curtain rises on a new season of Dancing with the Stars, and boy, are we in for a treat. The premiere kicks off with an electrifying opening number, featuring our dazzling professional dancers alongside the star-studded celebrity cast. Think glittering costumes that shimmer with every move, and lighting that transforms the stage into a magical wonderland. The choreography? It's a breathtaking blend of ballroom elegance and Latin fire, crafted to perfection to showcase each dancer's unique flair. The music pulses through the air, a mix of today's hottest hits and timeless classics, setting the rhythm for a night to remember. With every twirl, dip, and leap, the dancers bring their personalities to life, making you feel every beat and every emotion. And let's not forget those jaw-dropping lifts and spins that leave you on the edge of your seat. This isn't just a dance show, it's a full-on spectacle that promises to deliver drama, excitement, and pure, unadulterated joy. So whether you're a ballroom buff or a casual viewer, get ready to be swept off your feet. This season of Dancing with the Stars is set to be the most thrilling yet. Stay tuned because this epic dance showdown has only just begun.